Sketchbooks are an important part of the creative process. Artists use them to explore ideas and materials without worrying about the outcome. By not worrying about the outcome, artists can concentrate on the process. The process is a series of steps taken to put the thing together. The thing is a work, and the work is art when you discover something new in the process. Now that's all very philosophical, and really what I wanted to say was I got this brand new sketchbook for Christmas from Kathy, and I am doing my second entry for this video. I have a plan for this sketchbook. I want to fill it up with colourful paintings of animals and people in a very loose kind of style that I'm attempting to learn here now, using mixed media. Other sketchbooks I have going at the moment, or I've even completed, have been a bit more haphazard, where I've done all sorts of things that really don't match, and I have a plan for this one where I want it to be more themed. This may or may not be a good idea. Well, I think it's a good idea to start with, but whether I stick with it or not is the question. But I don't see why I wouldn't, because I love this kind of loose painting, and where it evolves to will be the art, I suppose. So the materials I'm using is gesso paint. I'll undercoat the pages with gesso and let it dry before I start my illustrations or paintings. And I'll use pencils, paints, Posca pens, oil pastels, other pastels, really whatever I've got on hand, and just keep the theme to animals and people. That's the plan.